5-minute English self-introduction and daily life speech. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rahul. Today, I would like to talk about myself, my daily routine, my goals, and my hobbies. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am a hardworking and positive person. I always try to learn new things and improve myself. I believe that every day is a new opportunity to become better. Now, let me tell you about my daily routine. I usually wake up early in the morning. After getting ready, I exercise for a few minutes because it keeps me healthy and active. Then I have my breakfast and start my work or studies. During the day, I try to complete my tasks on time. In the evening, I spend some time reading books, watching educational videos, or practicing English. Before going to bed, I think about what I learned during the day and plan for tomorrow. One of my favorite hobbies is learning English. I enjoy practicing speaking because it helps me communicate with people from different countries. I know that making mistakes is a part of learning, so I keep practicing every day. I also like listening to music, watching movies, and spending time with my family and friends. My biggest goal is to become successful in my career. I want to improve my knowledge, develop new skills, and achieve my dreams. I believe that success comes through hard work, patience, and continuous learning. Whenever I face difficulties, I remind myself to stay positive and never give up. I also believe that kindness and honesty are very important in life. We should respect others, help people whenever we can, and always keep learning. A positive attitude can make a big difference in our lives. In conclusion, I would like to say that life is full of opportunities. If we work hard, stay focused, and believe in ourselves, we can achieve our goals. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day.